Hello and welcome everyone to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about the best resources in order to learn Python. Python is a very known programming language and it helps a lot of developers, hackers. No matter what you do, no matter what you study, Python is so important and it can be so useful. And since you clicked on this video, probably you are in need and you want to learn the fastest way and the best way. Learning Python is crucial and important. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, first I'm going to recommend to you a playlist by the YouTuber called Neural9, which is this specific playlist. It's called Python Beginner Tutorial. This playlist covers all the basics you will ever need in Python. In addition, in order to put those skills that you are going to learn, those syntax stuff that you are going to learn into practice, you will have to practice in HackerRank. HackerRank is a perfect website to practice on problems. It offers problems with solutions also that you can see how people did and what solutions other people wrote, and by this you can watch, then go practice on this platform, and this is gonna be so effective. So if you practice and if you, for example, finish this playlist, it won't take you for like a day, maybe two if you are a bit lazy. It will take you 2 days to finish all the basics. Then you will head over to HackerRank, create an account, it's totally free, and you will start practicing and you will start learning. Also, the YouTuber Neural9 doesn't only have a beginner-friendly tutorial, it also has some applications, like for example, Python for networking, also Python for data science. Probably you are wanting to learn to enhance your skills to probably get better at Python. So this is the best resource I recommend. Neural9, I will keep the link in the description, and also HackerRank, I will also keep the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. See you in the next one.